empty is the car park at the moment here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Yeah, because the time is still 6:47, and I can see that the roll-up door is actually still closed. Okay, the door just opened now. Yeah, and for sure the grocery is also open. Here we go. There, yeah, look at this. This banana bread, $1.80, just one piece. But this is what I'm going to get: choco chip banana bread. Yeah, 5 pieces and $6. They actually have a lot of choices. If they have ensaymada, I will take ensaymada. Before we check out, let's check first here because they sometimes have random stuff here. Yeah, just like this, some random stuff like this, electric pan. Oh, I'm actually running out of coffee in the house, so I'm going to get this one, decaffeinated coffee, just $4. This is actually made in Germany. In case you don't know, when I was new here in Australia, I mean here in Nelson Bay, this is where I found the apartment where I am living now. Yeah, so basically there are a lot of for sale, for rent, things like that. It's a community notice board. This banana bread is delicious. Yeah, there are some bits of chocolate. And we are here in the Harvey Norman actually. I saw a video on TikTok. Yeah, swivel, magnetic swivel for GoPro accessory, and I'm going to buy that. This Harvey Norman is big and they have everything. Yeah, from furnitures, appliances, electronics, decoration, beddings, as in everything. Camping, cooking. So that side is technology and electronics. Beds. Yeah, nice. And this is what I got. This is $38. I bought this one because it's magnetic. Yeah, I actually have something like this but not magnetic. Before we go back to the car, let's just walk for a little bit. I saw kind of a food outlet, like a truck outlet, like a car, I mean vehicle restaurant. What is that? Food truck. Yeah, food truck. This at the back of this Harvey Norman home center. Yeah, looks like in the future there will be future developments. I don't know, I'm just guessing, but you know, this establishment, this building have been here for a long time, but this is the latest. This food outlet, they don't have any picture or they don't have a big name, so from far away, from this distance, I can't really see. I cannot figure out what they are selling. I get a little bit closer and I learned that yeah, they have Mexican food. Let's sit down here because I'm going to unbox it. This looks very sturdy and it's hard to push, and a lot of wasted paper, cardboard. Yeah, not good for the environment. My purpose of buying this is so that I can stick it like that. Yeah, anywhere in here in the car. Nice. And I end up being here in Westfield, Kotara, coming from Harvey Norman in Taylor's Beach. And while driving, I noticed this noise. Yeah, I think it's this the AC or the fan, because look at this. If I switch off the fan, the noise stops. I really don't have a plan to buy anything. Just yeah, just roaming and browsing is what I'm going to do here. Even I don't have plan of watching movies or go to the game area. Maybe drink a coffee, relax a little bit, but nothing really. You know, at the rooftop of this Filmora, there is this different shops and just restaurants. Actually, there is a Vietnamese restaurant there. There is this Mexican. There are more on this side. Thai restaurant, and it is good in here. It's like a park, but there is one empty outlet here. It was restaurant also before, and this is the car park. Okay, we go down. We are now here in the food court, and I remember that yeah, the Filipino guys at work, they said that there is kind of yeah, similar Filipino food in this shopping mall. But I was checking everything, but I don't see it. It is now 11:49. Let's see. Found it. Yeah, that's one, Burger Point. But I am shy to video. If you look actually at the menu, it looks like a regular Australian restaurant. But then when you look on the other side, there is this halo and pilo style spaghetti with grated cheddar cheese. Excuse me. This is Filipino. Spaghetti. So basically I was walking all around over down there and I cannot find it. And this is actually already my second time to get in this area. I decided to read and I saw the name of this burger of this restaurant. Amazing. And this is my meal. Look at that. Here, spaghetti and chicken together with gravy and soft drinks. Yeah, this is very common in the Philippines. A combination of chicken and spaghetti. And if you notice, the spaghetti has a grated cheese, a sausage or hot dog, tomato sauce. Yeah, it's mixed it very well. And if there's something that I don't like, it's going to be the cutlery. Yeah, I always prepare yeah, the usual cutlery, the usual fork and spoon, not this. But it's okay because this, every restaurant or every fast food chain here in Australia are all serving like this. Amazing, approved, very nice. Actually, I can still eat one more serve of this spaghetti, but I have some more chicken here. by using this pork, I can feel that it's very crispy. Let's use the hand. Yeah, the skin very crispy, amazing. But I'm going to use this to eat because even in the Philippines, yeah, I usually eat chicken with spoon and fork, not by hand. Even just the gravy is delicious. Amazing. Yeah, amazing. Really amazing. I love it. The place is actually a little bit hidden, but actually, yeah, these are a series of different restaurants, but still a little hidden. Yeah. So next time if you come here in Kotara, try to go to the cinema area and look at this time zone, and then walk a little bit farther and you're going to see the burger point. And that actually is the very first fast food that made me full, satisfied and happy.